welcome to my channel, AllasYummyFood. This is my mini series with my boyfriend. I have collaborated with Epulari cakes.
So delicious.
So if you haven't seen our video before where we're doing taste testing with closed eyes and we tie each other up. Well, not like literally, but you know, the eyes. So in today's video, we're gonna do the challenge called Not My Arms. So if you have never seen it, basically Ivar is gonna be eating with my hands and arms, and I'm gonna be eating with his, and we're gonna be drinking tea and
this will be fun. Okay.
Enjoy these cakes. So they've sent me 5 delicious flavors of different cakes. We've got vanilla, we've got, oh my god, chocolate brownies, Malteser brownies, plum cake. So literally really, really good. So do check them out. And now let's get started.
Let's start. Oh my god, this is such a nice cake. Very delicious. Okay, let's start with the brownie now. Wow. Brownie was really, really good. Amazing. And plum cake. So nice with the tea. One more brownie. Oh, I love it. Really, really nice. So good. Yes, so good. I want this here shortbread. One more piece. This cake is so amazing, guys. I love it. Nice.
Okay, I'm so excited to try these cakes. Yummy. Okay, what shall I start with? Okay, right. Chocolate brownie, yes. Oh my god. It's so good. So good. Wow. Really crunchy, very chocolatey. So good. Oh, love it. I need to have some tea with that. Ooh. This is okay, last cookie. Yeah, I just got a random itch there. Oh, brownie again, because I love it. Oh my god. Yum. So good. You don't know what to pick. I'm so greedy. I want 2 cakes. Oh god. Can't see it anymore. Oh, it's good. You know, gotta look pretty. Gotta look pretty. Tap myself on the head. Oh, lovely. Whew, woo, we're done. I'm so full. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you do want to check them out, I'll leave all the information in my description box. Epulari cakes are homemade by Sarah, and she lives in England, so you can order them and deliver them everywhere around the UK. Yeah, and I hope you try these. Bon appetit, thank you for watching.